Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are several different places that trash could exist. The first place I would recommend looking is in the photos. This could potentially be taking up the most amount of space. So open up Google Photos and then tap on Collections here towards the bottom. And there you'll see at the top right is trash. Just tap on trash here. And if you have any photos or videos on there, you can easily delete them to help free up space from the trash bin. So I can hit select all and then delete and permanently delete them. The next thing I would recommend looking for is the Files app. So let's swipe up from here and just navigate to or search for My Files. Within the Files app, all you need to do is scroll down and under Utilities, look for Trash. And you'll be able to see any trash items in here. Again, similar to before, we can hit Select, and then you can select all or just multiple ones and hit Delete and then Delete. After you've done that, there are other places that those trash bin items might be found. One is in your Messages. So open up the Messages. And when you're in your Messages, tap on the profile at the top right, and then tap on Archived here. Just choose that, and you can see these are all of your deleted messages. You can tap on those three dots. Oh, usually it lets you do that. In this case, I'm just going to select here, and then go down and keep selecting them one by one, or you can choose to just select all of them and hit the trash and delete. After you've gone through the process of deleting all those text messages, you might also want to see if there are emails in your trash bin as well. So all you need to do is navigate to your email here, in most cases Gmail, and you can tap on those three lines at the top left and then get to trash. And once you're in here, you can hit the empty trash now to delete out all of those trashed emails. Now that we've taken care of a lot of different apps that have trash within them, we can also choose to delete any items within your phone through the settings. So swipe up and tap on Settings, and then from here, let's go to your storage. So scroll down until you get to Device Care, Storage and Memory, and then from here, Storage. You'll be able to see at the very top how much you have used and how much is free. And then it will also, if you hit show more, show you exactly what is using up all of that space on your phone. Now, keep in mind, you can scroll down and find trash here. Anything that is left over might be in this trash folder. So if you have anything in here, again, you can just select them and delete them from your trash bin. Or if you just wanted to help free up some space, you can always go into any of these items. For instance, apps is taking up lots of space. I can always tap on that and go through this list and delete out apps that are taking up a lot of space that I don't use. For instance, Facebook is taking up over a gigabyte. If I wanted to, I could either tap on storage and try to clear the cache and clear the data, and this will help reduce the overall size of that app. Or if I wanted to not use it anymore, I can just hit uninstall and then OK, and that will completely delete that app and help free up some space on my Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.